Now, mind you, I pay about $500 a month for my kids to have insurance. They do not qualify for Medicaid. They do not have Medicaid. So we are paying $480 something a month for them to have coverage. So the fact that they switched them up on me without letting me know, without giving me a heads up, especially because my son has leukemia, he has cancer, and there are certain medications that he needs to start and can't wait. So they switched him over to a new insurance policy, and we had to get authorization from that insurance before he can get his chemo medication. So that put him on hold. Not only that, but my son was receiving physical therapy. And because they switched insurance on us, they told me that the new insurance that they chose was now out of network and we have to travel out of town for his physical therapy needs, which I'm already traveling 2 hours to the hospital. So I called Healthy Kids and asked them if there's any other plans that we could switch over to, because apparently the one they chose for us was out of network with his physical therapy here in town. And they told me there was 2 other ones that we could pick from. So after doing my research, I decided to switch him over once again to another insurance. And guess what? My son is almost out of his oral chemotherapy. There's only a little bit of liquid left in this bottle. So I called to get a refill. And they told me that because I switched over to a new insurance, we have to wait till the new insurance authorizes this chemotherapy refill. So it could be days or it could be a week. I don't know. But my son cannot afford to be without his oral chemo. So I asked the pharmacist how much it would be if I just paid it out of my own pocket. And I was mind blown when he told me the amount. $1,500 for this bottle. $1,500 for this refill. It seriously makes me angry. Makes me very upset. The fact that insurance doesn't give a shit about oncology patients, about cancer patients, about people that are fighting for their life. All they care about is money. That's all this is. The whole medical field. It all revolves around money. It all revolves around money. And then we wonder why they haven't found a cure for cancer. Because it does not benefit them.